Hello everyone, this video is about implementation of Norman's design principle for designing a travel guidance app named Travel Guru. The project was done by the team of Abishek Bashyal, Santosh Shrestha, Santosh Subedi and Samip Timalsena from Bachelor's in Computer Engineering, Kathmandu University, batch 2018. The case we have chosen is to develop a travel guidance app. The reasons are providing cost estimation of travel, an app for information of places, recommending places based on the ongoing season. For gathering more information, we did a survey among 30 undergraduate students from different universities. The results strongly supported our case as most of them faced difficulties in choosing a place in certain season and collecting information for their travel. Hence, they feel the need of a travel guidance app, and few have previously used any such app. At last, we shortlisted the most wanted features that include estimated cost and expenses, navigation and offline maps, neat UI and good recommendation system, pictures of the place, scenarios and things to do in those places. Thus, we developed a hypothesis that such app will surely attract more users. Based on the survey results in our case, we developed the paper prototype as shown and collected feedbacks. Some of them are: finally, utilizing the design principle and the feedback, we developed our final design. The design principle we used is Donald Norman's design principle. But how are the principles applied? For visibility, users get good idea regarding app functionality by glancing at the interface. The buttons and page interface are clearly visible. The options are not cluttered and only the required options are used. Similarly, for feedback, user receives feedback after every action they perform. The users are acknowledged whether their actions are successful or not. For example, it displays an error message for wrong inputs and shows completion message for the right inputs. Likewise, affordance is the link between how things look and how they are used. We can see that the design is intuitive enough as user can easily interact with the navigation bar, whereas the logout button is red and bright, indicating that it locks you out of the system. Similarly, mapping is the idea that in good design, the controls for something will closely resemble their effect. As we can see that the next arrow shows the next picture or takes us to the next section, whereas the back arrow does the opposite of what the next arrow does. Likewise, constraints restrict a particular form of user interaction with the interface. We can clearly see that the app prohibits a user from entering wrong credential in the input fields. Similarly, we know that the consistency is the key for the pattern to be learned and recognized by the users. We can clearly see that the layout and placement of buttons, search bar, and other components used are universal. The color and icons are consistent throughout the app. For the usability testing, we used the system usability scale where we asked a group of 15 testers a set of 10 questionnaires having options 1 to 5 that goes from strongly disagree to agree. The results are: after doing the calculations from the data that we collected, we finally obtained the system usability scale score of 88.5. This shows that our design was good and easy to use. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude to our course instructor Dr. Santosh Shrestha for guiding us throughout the project. Thank you.